Hey guys, once again welcome to my channel Unigrabs, the Learning Center. In my last video, I have covered International and Indian number system, conversation and round-off. I would like to recommend you to visit my last videos regarding Maths Class 6 Chapter 1 Knowing Numbers to understand this video more perfectly. And this is my last part for Class 6 Maths Chapter 1 Knowing Number. In this video, I'm gonna cover Roman numeral, comparing number and problem sum. We will also understand in this video what is place value and face value. Now we will understand what is Roman numeral. Roman numeral basically means alphabetic representation of number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which we generally write, the digits, they are called Hindu-Arabic number systems. So here 1, as I have given here a chart, 1 is represented as I, 5 is represented as V, 10 is represented as X, 50 is represented as L, 100 is represented as C, 500 is represented as D, and 1000 is represented as M. Just pause your video and take a screenshot for our future task. I have given here a chart for few more numbers like 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. So please pause the video and take the screenshot. As you know that 1 is represented as I, 2 is represented as 2I, 3 is represented as 3I. So here a question arises that why 4 is not written in this pattern like 4I, why don't we write that? Simply the answer is that same symbol cannot be written at the same time more than 3 times. That's why 3 is written as 3I and 4 is written as IV. This is because you get the nearest biggest value of 4 is 5. So it tells you to subtract it to get the result. That is 5 minus 1 is 4. So for 5 we write V, and as 4 is 1 smaller than 5, so we write that I in front of 5. So the result is IV. Let's see another example to understand more perfectly or more better how to write 40. As I said in my previous example that same symbol cannot be written at the same time more than 3 times. So there is no chance to write like this 4x together. As we have to see what is its nearest biggest number. So it is 50 and it is written as L. And to get the result, we need to subtract it. 50 minus 10 equals to 40. So, for 10 we write X and for 50 we write L. Hence, the smallest number we write before. That's why X is written before BL. So, answer is XL. Let us take one more example, that is 90. So again we need to see what is the biggest number, nearest biggest number of 90, that is 100. Then 100 minus 10 is 90. We need to subtract it as I said you before. So we write 10 as X and 100 as C. So you know the smallest number is written at front. So X is written at front and C, that is 100, is written at back. The result XC for 90. Let's solve the problem. What is the answer of XIV plus XXI? Let's solve this step by step. You need to follow some rules for that. Number 1, convert Roman numeral to integer number. Number 2, solve your problem normally. Then number 3, convert back the number to Roman numeral. First, follow the number 1 rule. After converting xiv, we get 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals to 14. This is because x stands for 10, and since I is smaller than b, that is 1 is smaller than 5, that's why we write I before 5, and 4 is written as iv. After that, convert xi. There are 2x, that means there are 2 10s, that is 10 plus 10, and I stand for 1, that is 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals to 21. Then second rule, solve your problem normally. xiv, the answer came 14, and xsi, the answer came 21. Then the total result is 35. Then number 3 rule, convert back the number to Roman numeral. Hence, we write 35 as xxxv. Now, we will understand comparing number. Here I have given a number 150,693. So, with the help of this number, you have to make it largest number and you have to make it smallest number. You can say after making largest number, we get 965310. And after making smallest number, we get 105693. Now, here a question arises that why we did not write 0 at front, because 0 is the smallest, then why don't we write that? Then think a bit. If we write 0, that means nothing. We don't have to write anything before. Then the answer would be 15693. That would be 5-digit number. And I have given you 6-digit number. So where is the other digit? So that the reason we have wrote 0 after 1. Okay. Now we will understand what is place value and what is space value. So first is place value. So whenever it is said to take the place value of any number, that means from that position of the number, whatever number is back of it, you will make it 0. Let's take an example. Take out the place value of 6 from 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, as you can see that in the above number, after 6 there are 3 digits, that is 1, 2 and 9. So we will make that 3 digit 0. Then your answer would be 34600. Let's check another example. Let's take out the place value of 3 from 231876. So the result would be what? After 3 there are 4 places, that means 4 digits. Then all the 4 digits will become 0. Then what will your answer be? After 3 there will be 40. Then the answer is 2,30,000. Now we will understand face value. Just you understand that for face value, if a question arises that how can we take out the face value of a number, so the answer is simply the number itself. Let us take an example. Find the face value of 7 from 657213. So what is the answer? As I said, the number itself. So the face value of 7 is 7 only. Let it be how many digits back of it or front of it. We do not care. Let's take another example. Find the face value of 8 from 438219. So again the result is same. It's 8 only. The number itself. Let us see our problem sums. And the first example is, the ticket seller has 2,300 243 tickets for their play, which he have to sell in 3 weeks. In first week, he sold 705 tickets. In second week, he sold 826 tickets. And in the third week, he sold 628 tickets. How much tickets does he sold altogether, and how much ticket is left with him? The first rule for solving a problem sum is that we need to make the question into statement. We need to solve this problem into statement. As you can see that I have written 3 statements. Like in the first week, he sold how many tickets? 705 tickets. In the second week, he sold 826 tickets, and in third week, he sold 628 tickets. That means in whole 3 weeks, he sold this much ticket. That means is what? That means this is an addition. So we need to add this thing, and the answer came after adding this 2159 tickets. Then here a question arises that how many tickets is left with him. As you know, total ticket was 2343 and he sold 2159 tickets. That means obviously it's a subtraction from the total amount. So after doing subtraction, we get 184 tickets. So we need to write this also in statement. Total ticket he has left with him is 184 tickets. Let's see our second example. Lisa has 156 packet of chocolate. In each packet there are 89 chocolates. It's simple. If one packet equals to 89 chocolate, then how many chocolates are there in all packet? Like one packet, if there is 89 chocolate, then in 156 packet, how many chocolate will be there? Then it's simple that we have to do multiplication. Then the second question, if Lisa divide all the chocolates equally among 52 shops, how much each shop will get? Now after doing multiplication of 89 into 156, we need to divide the answer with 52 shops, and that's the amount the shop will get. Okay, after dividing the chocolates. Quite simple, we need to put all the values in statement. So after doing multiplication of 156 into 89, we get 13,884 chocolates. Now she have to divide this amount of chocolate within the shop, that is 52 shops. Then after doing division, there is 267 chocolates she will distribute among 52 shops. It's not necessary that you have to write the same statement. You can write your statement by yourself or by making yourself. Okay. Let's see our third example or third problem. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter clothes. How many shirt can be stitched and how much cloth will remain from that? Before doing anything, we need to convert our problems into centimeter. As you can see, after converting 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter, we get 215 centimeter. And after converting 40 meter to centimeter, we get 4000 centimeter. For knowing how these calculations are done, you need to watch my previous videos, which link I have given in my description. Then it said that how many shirts can be stitched with this amount. So after doing division of 4000 divided by 215, we get in quotient 18. So 18 quotient is 18 shirts we can stitch, and the remainder is 130, that is 130 centimeter. So 130 centimeter is the remaining clothes. Then we need to convert it again into meter. So how it is converted, for knowing, please watch my last video. Now next problem sum. Find the difference between greatest and the least number. Least means smallest. That can be written using 0, 5, 7, 8, 9, 4 each only once. That means with the help of this number you have to make greatest number and you have to make the smallest number. After that you need to subtract it simply. See, after making greatest number I got 9,87,540. After making it smallest number I got 5,789. So it said that you need to make it difference. So difference means subtraction. So after subtracting I got 5,81,751. So I have given this my statement. You can apply your own statement for your problem sums. Okay, it's not compulsory that you have to use my statement only. So this is the last video regarding this chapter. Hope you guys like my video. We'll see you soon on my next video regarding science. If you have any problem throughout the video, please comment it below. I will surely help you out. Till then, please like, share and subscribe.